Hey, good morning. We are live. We are live, finally. It took a while to restart my stream from yesterday. Sorry about that. Oh, man. Timbo, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Nathan Ramirez, Matt, good morning. Let's all just have a silent prayer for my internet today. I do not have it in me today to go through internet issues again. So hopefully no internet issues today. Let's just have a chill stream and everything's good. Yesterday was a little bit my fault. I should have probably not scheduled someone to come mess with my internet while I was scheduled to stream. So I'll take responsibility on that one. Good morning, Dean Bishop, Jag Raj, good morning. Micro Player, Brian Luna, R5 Studios, Sam Owen, good morning. Elijah White, Jake Dell, Ara Clyde, good morning. Max 90, CJ Benson Wright, good morning. Don't you hate it when your YouTube channel freezes and Timbo takes a screenshot? I hate to see it. All right, market, what's it gonna be today? And kind of a mixed session in the overnight. I'm messing things up on the overnight. I don't know why I'm overthinking things. I need to stop. I need to stop doing it. Good morning, Mr. Knife Art. Good to see you. Gizmer Marie, Golf Guy Mike, Jack Wiley, Terry W. How we doing? Best Guest Trading. Good morning. But yeah, the overnight session, kind of a mixed bag. I took my first trade on these 5 accounts. Shorted right at VWAP. It was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Went short. Captured what? From the 980s down to the 920s. 60-point move. Everything was great. Got chopped out here till I finally decided to stop trading this account. And then from there, I don't know why I felt the need to switch my bias. And you might think, wow, I was up at 2 o'clock trading. And the answer is yes, I was. We had I woke up at 2 and I couldn't sleep. So I came and checked on my position and I saw, okay, I should have stayed in bed, to be honest, because got up at 2, took some of these trades right here, and then on the other group, I went short, or I went long for some reason. I don't know why. Why did I not just keep following the trend? Should have just kept following the trend, but I kind of overthought it and just went long right here. Had a target of at the 990s. Got destroyed. Made back a little bit of it here this morning, but I need to just, in the overnight session, I need to just remind myself, go with the trend, man. I overthought it. Good morning, Harry W, Jack Wiley, Golf Guy Mike. Good morning. If I trade in the middle of the night, I would never get back to sleep, and or I would go straight tilt. No, I mean, honestly, I'm like, I put on the trade, I'm okay with what happens, and I go to bed. Put on my stop loss, and I go to bed. And we are open for business. All right, let's see. Now, if we look at the daily chart here, today's going to be interesting. And I feel like we need to look at shorts. This is definitely, we could be seeing a bigger pullback here. I don't know, but we definitely need to be looking at, we need to keep shorts in the back of our mind. All right, let's see what happens here. The open. Hey, good morning, Sarah. Tanush, good morning. Got my first Apex payout. Let's go. Let's go, Tanush. Let's go. We need do we have this set up? Nope. Yes, we do. Let's go. Congratulations to Nush. Thank you for all the guidance navigating through the rules. You're welcome. All right, market. Let's see. I mean, right now we have to be looking at short setups, I feel like. If we make new lows, if we start selling off down through the 780s, I am going to trade I'm going to trade this. I'm going to try if I'm going to focus on these 5 accounts today, but I have about 1 loss. If I have about 1 loss, I'm going to lock it down. But we're heading on. I don't want to panic, guys. I'm not trying to panic. I'm trying not to panic, but my favorite 150K accounts. Oh, the clock. Thank you. My favorite 150K accounts. These 5 accounts are, oh, they're heading in the wrong direction. I'm starting to have flashbacks of where I could have taken out 5,000 per account and I didn't. Too late now. Too late now to have regrets. Wow, look at that thing go. All right. He's zooming out. If we maybe we come up, maybe we test the VWAP here. But let's see if we get up through the 850s. Hey, Carolina, Amelia, good morning. It needs a little CPR. Yeah, I know. It's fine. Like I said, even if I lose the account, as long as I don't blow up, I'm fine with it. Which with Guardian Angel, with Quant Guard, I feel pretty good with it. I mean, I can't blow up. You know, if I take 4 losses and I have 4 losing days in a row and I lose the account, it is what it is. It is what it is. You know, it was a good run. It was a good run. That's what we're going to look at it as. Especially if I took a loss that could go into full tilt 200 eval session. Oh, yeah, I hear you, Matt. Yeah, that's not good. That's why if I do put the trade on, then I go back to bed. Because if I sit and watch it, that's when I start over trading, and then it just gets ugly from there. Nobody wants that. So all right, I wouldn't mind if we come I mean, right now we can't even get above the 850s here. So see if we rip above the 850s here or not. All right, 830s. Be tempting here to take. I'm going to wait. Also, I need to. We don't have any news, do we? And yeah, we don't have any news to speak of. No news to speak of. We do have a bond auction. We do have the 10-year bond auction at 101. I feel like sometimes that moves the market. Just depends. Good morning, Rosie Rose. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we get up through that 850. I'm kind of waiting for a setup on a short. If we can get maybe if we reject off the 870s or even off the 850s here, I might take a stab at this. I'm gonna trade these 5 accounts. If we do take a loss, I'll probably be done trading these accounts for now.
Order submitted.
Gonna see. I mean, if that rejects again, I'm gonna take this. We get up through the 850s, then I'm gonna cancel this. We fail, or if we wick up through it and then we have a nice wick up here. Let's see. Hey, Fred Yeager, Dean Bishop. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we get up through that 850 or not. Very stagnant up here at the high. All right, we might get filled here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're in this. Oh dear, we might have got trapped. Did we get trapped? Ugh, I didn't like. Oh, I hate that. We might just have gotten absolutely trapped on that. Oh, I hate those. I'm fine. If we get stopped out here, I was wrong. But man, I hate those traps. Yeah, it's just gonna stop me out. Man,
Order filled.
just absolutely trapped. Gosh. I could just tell immediately. Those are the times where it's like, maybe I should just rip it. All right. Regroup. Regroup. This, and this could trap both directions here. That's gonna irritate. That's gonna be irritating. See, I mean, now I'm just gonna wait, see what reaction we get here to VWAP. And I don't know how I trying to think how I prevent those traps from happening, but probably the safer entry would have been to have my entry be down, like not just below the body of this candle, like down here to down at the below the 820s, maybe. I don't know. Hindsight's always 2020 as well. But as soon as I got filled, like as soon as that happened, I almost knew it. I almost knew I was screwed. I guess that's where it's like maybe I should just kill the trade at that point. But right now seems bullish. Seems bullish. All right, market. And try to be patient. We got about one more trade. One more trade on these accounts, and then we're gonna have to stop for the day. And I just saw. Wait, is it true that looks like I've been wondering about this. Hey, Design Knob, Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Jenna, Scott Trades, Design Knob, you're on your wrong account again. You're on the wrong account again. Nothing Burger, good morning, Niles. Trip Candy, good morning, Dean Bishop. Yeah, this is starting to look pretty bullish, and I guess I need to wait to do anything until we see what happens here at VWAP. Is that when gold is most active? I'm not sure. But I guess I'm trying to find if this is actually true. Because one thing I've been like the whole Top Step Dakota, the Dakota's on Top Step. He keeps hating on the Simfluencer, whatever. You gotta make money in your live account, yada yada yada. And I asked him a couple times to clarify what is the amount of profits that he has made in a live accounts. Like, what is the actual money he has made in a live account versus the money he has made in the sim funded environment and then moved into a live account. And I've been asking, and he just ignores those comments very conveniently, even though he's all about transparency. When you ask him that, it doesn't seem like that's that important. But I guess somewhere he clarified that he is currently He is currently losing, like, he is overall net negative in his live account. So basically all his profits, everything has come from, like, everything has come from his sim funded profits. What is going on here, market? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Nah, this is irritating. Man, do I take this short now? Jeez. I'm
Order
gonna do
submitted.
it. I'm gonna do it. And we're wrong. I guess I'm gonna pay the price. It. Come on, market. Sell it off. You know you want to do it. Come on. We gotta get through here. We gotta rip. Gotta flush it right here. Gotta flush. Come on. Go. Go. Come on, market. Makes me nervous. Ugh. Come on, just go. I might need to take profit here at the 800s. Come on, fill me.
Order filled.
Ah. I hate when I trade nervous. But that just makes me nervous that what we're doing there. We're right here at the 800s. There's gotta take profit there. I'm still looking for shorts though, but if we make it, maybe we come make a move back up into the 840s, and then if we fail, we take another short. I don't know. Hey, John. Good morning. Yeah, John. Wah wah. No, but isn't it pretty funny how he keeps talking about, oh, you need to go to a live account, blah, blah, blah. It needs to be live. And he's literally proving why that is just like, that's pretty crazy. That he, and it's kind of what I suspected. I kind of suspected that that was the case because every time I would ask him about it, he would just ignore me conveniently. Now we're going to go through Unreal. Ooh, it might be a testy session today, folks. This might be a little bit of a tester for me today. Got trapped on my first initial short. I mean, this is exactly what I was looking for, and I just, that opening range volatility, it's just, that's where I get destroyed a lot. That opening range volatility is rough. Now, if we can make new lows here down through the 780s, this should see a very nice move lower. I want to see us get through it like this. Now we're getting through it. Now we wait. Now we be patient. I'm not going to chase the breakout. We're going to wait for a pullback and get in. So now we wait. We're seeing exactly the move that I wanted. And I got trapped on that first trade. It happens. It happens. All right, now we wait. If you ever want to see a habitually failing trader, he will always tell on himself by inquiring about going live. It's not even about failing. Like, I never, I mean, maybe I have, and if I have, then I apologize, but I don't care who they are. I try to never attack anyone that is having, that is trading badly. Like, if you're trading badly, I don't care who you are. Like, as far as trading goes, I don't think in the space that we're in, there's no room to be making fun of other people that have red days and losses. To me, that is so cringy. Like, we really gonna sit here and yap about other people having red days and pretend like that doesn't happen to us all the time is just wild. Like, to me, I don't like that. But when people are spouting out about like what Dakota's is doing, but then literally doing exactly that, that's what I will call out. That's bullcrap. But whatever. To each their own. Yeah, full-time trading. It is. It is. Yeah, exactly, full-time trading. Even for me, these Tradeify accounts that I'm now going live with, I mean, let's be honest. I wouldn't be going live if I had another option. If I had another option, like if I had the option to just take out all the money and then go back into the sim environment, I would do it in a heartbeat. Why wouldn't you? Right now, there is zero motivation to go to a live account. The only reason, the only prop firms that actually have a lot of live traders, the only reason they have live traders is because they hold their profits hostage. That's the only way you get live traders, is because they hold your profits hostage, and the only way you can get those profits and withdraw them is if you go to the live account and actually, I mean, it is what it is. I don't blame the prop firms. I don't blame them for doing it. I don't think it's anything wrong with going to a live account, but there's no reason for us as traders to openly do it and pretend like that's, you know, I mean, it is what it is. All right, 750s here. Man, I wish I would have had it in me to hold that short. Man, oh man. 750s being tested here. I just need a little bit of a pullback here. 750s, we could see a little bit of a bounce, hopefully. So I'd love to get a push back into this 780 area and then an entry short. Let's see. Come on. Give me a big bounce. Come on. This is where the only times I will look at being a little more aggressive on my entries is when we, like, and that I'll scale into it when I really like the position or the move, but might not even let me get in here. Come on. Get it bounced. Okay. I'm front running this a little bit, so be careful. Need to be careful here. Here, like, man, I don't want this to. All right, gotta see this fail. Come on, market. If we really fail, I mean, I feel like an aggressive target could be down at the 700s. We be patient. You can't out make a die in the afternoon, just grind commissions. Yeah, it can be. It's all luck anyway. Gotta see this thing dump here. Come on, market. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Might add up here at this EMA. If we get up to like the 800s, I might take one more short right there. Then if this is gonna V-shape reverse, we're gonna have a bad day. That's just how it is. We need this thing to really rip down below that 750s. If we can down, I feel like if we get down below the 750s, I think we can get to the 700s. But it's being a little sluggish here. Full-time trading? Oh, I don't know. I don't have anything currently planned. Come on, market. Just dump it. Do it. Dump it. Gotta get, this is where it's going to be very critical. If we wick down below the 750s and just wick down and then we rip higher, then I feel I might need to get out. We have to make new lows here. Gotta go, man. Gotta rip it. Come on. Give me new lows. Give me new lows. Do it. Don't trap here, please. I'm begging you not to trap. Come on. Give me new lows. Do it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now keep going. Keep going. Come on. Just keep going. Keep going. Dump it. Dump it. Oh dear, don't do it. Don't. I hate this market. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? This is where I just, oh, I hate this market sometimes. Oh, I mean, technically, you could take a long here. If you could almost take a long right here. Oh wow, Apex just dropped at 80% sale. Let's go. All right, Apex 80% sale just dropping. All right, let's go. I guess we'll take 80%, right? All right, I might take another stab here. That was a frustrating trade. Why is my ATM not on here? Oh, I'm only in on one? Okay, that's fine. Let's add another short if we test the 800s again. Did not mean. Okay, whatever. Come on. Give me a rip lower here. I need 90. We always want more. We want more. Oh, this is bad. Oh. Now I'm chasing shorts where I probably shouldn't be. Also, we fail off this 800s. That might be okay, but man, not liking it. I'm not liking this. Yeah, we're getting stopped here. Oh, I just realized I need to close.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I'm on market. Ah, come on, market. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Ah, unreal. I feel like we're getting wrecked. We're getting wrecked today. Hmm. Yes, Apex 80% sale is back. Thanks for using NBT. All right, market. You're gonna just punish me today, I see. V-shaped move after V-shaped move. You gotta love it.
Order filled.
Ah, on off. All right, well, we chilling. Ain't it today? Are you serious? Let's go, John. Just go long gold. Oh, really? Is it gold is still ripping? Well, I have no idea what I'm looking for now. I have no idea. So, I don't know. I guess we chilling. I wonder what Joom is doing. We should probably let the guy go. Let him live. Uh, press the buy button and then go away for do a Walmart trade on buy on the gold. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we did pass our take profit trader account, so there's that. There's that. But if we, I mean, starting to feel like we're just gonna grind higher now. Man. I need to rethink about what I did here. This was probably a bad idea to short. A little bit of a revenge trade, I think. Definitely not following my setup. We're just grinding this thing higher right now. Wow. Have a look at gold. All right, we'll look at gold. We're gonna bounce off this view. Man, gold is crazy. Look at this gold. Jeez. I'm surprised that NQ is not pulling back more with the move that we have here in gold. Crazy. Why that pops up. Hey, Ace Undercover, Snowman, how we doing? I still want to go short. I'm not gonna lie. I still think we go lower. Let's see what happens if we can touch VWAP or not. But we got about one more bullet left here. And then we gotta walk away from these 5 accounts. Oh, 2 bad red days in a row. I hate this.
Order submitted.
Ugh.
Order filled.
Oh, wait.
Order submitted.
Okay, market, let's go. Please don't trap me here. I'm begging you. This thing traps, then I guess it is what it is. We're just wrong today. We are just wrong. Dude, is it actually going to trap again? Mmm. Did I hear yesterday that you stabbed yourself? Yes, I did. Right there is still the see this right here? That is the result of me taking a sharp screwdriver, holding a screw, trying to get it turned in, and it slip off, and the sharp screwdriver just stabbed me right in the finger. Okay, boys. Man, this is a sucky situation here. Unbelievable. If we move our stop up here, not sure if I can do that. I'd have to. Do I want to do that or not? Well, I guess I need to make a decision here. Oh, this is so painful.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done. What the heck? How did that happen? Really get stopped out above the price? Nice. Not good, man. If we rip lower now, I'm going to be so... V-shaped reversals. You gotta love it. Oh, I hate it. This is what I hate. I just hate it. This is exactly what if we get moves like this, this is my arch nemesis price action right here. Yes, it is what it is. Robert Schultz. It's truly amazing that you have even any payouts. Yeah, it is amazing. It's amazing you're not banned. We are now, I mean, this is going to rip now above VWAP. I mean, this is insane. Gosh. Unreal. I don't care. It's fine. It's always funny to me how there's a certain group of people, they never comment, they're never around when you take all the payouts. As soon as you have one red day, boop, 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 they pop out of their little gopher holes, and they're like, ha 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 ha. and then they go back in their hole. What a such a that's so it's so pathetic. Anyway, I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. Not gonna lie. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. I honestly think some people just watch other streamers to make themselves feel better about their failure rate. I think at least some people do. But it's okay. It's all right. I'm not trading well today. That's definitely not fake news. All right, let's see if we get above the 900s, then I guess I mean, I'll be honest. I don't buy this. I don't buy this move higher. I don't think so. Yeah, FOMC is tomorrow, true. Tomorrow is the actual is tomorrow when we were going to actually see the rate change? Yeah, Trip Moses, you're not wrong. Someone is definitely buying it. You are not wrong. And I trying to decide what I want to do. And I'm switching to this group. I'm switching to this group here. I want to see what we do here above the 9. Like if we wick here, and it's just going straight up, man. Get crazy. Oh, yeah, I know. It's fine, Quick Gaming. I know. 99 per I don't try to respond to trolls. I just sometimes when I'm really annoyed, I will. And it's right now. I want to keep it real. I'm annoyed. Stupid market. Hmm. I gotta watch myself that I don't keep trying to short this. We just keep going higher, man. Hey, his words are truth. How we doing? Trolls, Eagles fans, you disappoint? No. Trolls, a troll is someone that only watches and hoping for your failure. And then as soon as you fail, they will be the only time that you see them, the only time you see them chatting is when you're having a bad day. And the only time they are around is when you have a bad day. Those are trolls. Like, I don't even consider people a troll, like, you know. Yeah, anyway, what? It doesn't even matter. Doesn't matter. See, now I just I want to short this so bad.
Order submitted.
Go ahead. Punish me. Keep punishing me, market. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just can't help it. Cannot help it. This traps again long. Oh, we might. I was looking forward to having a nice long stream session. I was looking forward to it. Now not looking good, guys. We're gonna have to take a little we're gonna have to this keeps up, we're gonna have to walk away, man. Kind of weird how you do this because technically this is the pullback to go long, but is my bias is definitely getting in the way of my trading, and I probably should not allowing that to happen, but here we are. Sometimes you just can't help it. It's time for some Ben and Rose. Right now, we're past the stage of Ben and Rose. We were at Ben and Rose an hour ago. We're now getting into levels of, like, I'm not even sure. Come on, Mark. Oh, yeah, Metallica. I don't even know. It's definitely not, it's not ideal. uh, we're at the Ben and Jerry stage. See, now this technically should be a long, and I don't have it in me. Gotta be kidding me. Man, I'm just, oh, so bad. Hmm. This is just a pullback, and we're gonna rip higher and time to go golf. It is. It is. This ain't it, man. Well, if this rejects, we have a chance. Now we do, if this rejects, then I do like it, but we need to get below the 880s. We need to get below the 880s. This could easily still make new highs. I need this market. I need this win. Come on. Don't let me down. I need it. Got 3 equal highs here on the 5-minute. I know, I love the short. I do like it if we can get below the 880s. If we can get below the 880s, then I do think we are good. But we gotta get through this. Come on. Don't let me down this time, market. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on, do it. Not doing it. This is still bullish. Yeah, this is still bullish. Oh, man. I'm checking tea times, guys. I'm checking tea times. All right. Crazy it's crazy how oh it's crazy how quickly you can just go off course. Like just completely off course in the blink of an eye. Today, a perfect example of that. Just feel like it started with a bad trade. Like this trade started it, got trapped, annoyed, stopped out at the high, and then we'd had the exact move, and then I didn't hold. It's just overall, it's just bad. This is gonna rip higher now. I already know it. Ugh. It's the reversal day. It's the reverse. Do everything exactly opposite is the best way to trade this. Or what's weird, like if I'm patient and then if I just look at this thing a little objectively, this would be a pullback. This is a pullback. This is a pullback. And we didn't. It is what it is. And here we go, breaking out through the 20s, and it's gonna rip us. It is what it is. Just getting destroyed. And now, okay. Oh, if this rips lower now, we are going to have problems. Yeah, we need a Costanza day. If this rips lower now, dude, we are going to have problems. I'm not joking. Unbelievable. No shot. This is real life. Oh, And I just I what kind of BS is this? Oh, gotta be kidding me. I'm really debating what I want to do here. I mean, technically, there's still no reason to be short. It can still just rip. Oh no, John, are you serious? Oh, that's pain. Lots of pain today. Lots of pain. I just hate when I actually hate days like this. Hate it. It kind of goes back though if we just rewind everything. Everything started to go wrong when we traded the 930 open. That's when things really fell apart. There's a reason that I don't trade the 930 open. There's a reason. If I don't take this trade, we might have been able to get out of our bias and look for a move. I don't know. It's just you never know. I try not to be too hindsighty about it, but it's frustrating right now. Yeah, tradesy. It is. That's what I hate about it too. Trump is talking to the new Canadian Prime Minister today. I see. It's always a hard day when you would have made more money staying in bed. That is true. Gotta remember though. Thing we have to remember about days like today. Thing we have to remember is there will be red days. We can't be going through our trading. We can't be trading. You can't be trading and then think and just be oblivious and think there won't be red days. Red days are going to happen. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. And you just got to accept it. It's going to be red weeks. Stay the course. Honestly, any day like a day like today, the best thing after a day like today is back to the basics. Did I take any trades today that were did I take a trade today that was actually a good setup? According like a good setup. Did I take any trades that were a good setup? No, I did not. This trade, trading before 9:30, even this trade I got in way early. Technically, this trade would have lost anyway because I would have my entry would have been here. I would have had a loss, but chasing this move, that was not in my setup, but I was taking it because I was chasing losses, or I don't know, chasing losses or a little bit of revenge trading. It was a combination of both. Ugh, gotta just gotta walk away. No, the current sale with Apex is $130 activation. One-time activation fees are still $130. Mm, lost my funded account today, Apollon. I'm sorry, man. Feel like I'm not far behind you. uh Man, dumb luck. I'm glad it worked out. Unreal. It's amazing how consistently wrong you can be on a daily basis. I amaze myself sometimes. I feel the same way some days, like today. Like, wow, it's actually impressive. Yeah, this market just grinding higher now. Just grinding higher. There she goes up through the 20s. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, man. What do you think, guys? This is rough. I really don't. Man, that's crazy. Wow, look at that thing go. I mean, here's the thing. I know we all know exactly what will happen, right? We know, right? We know what's going to happen, don't we? We know what's going to happen. We know what's going to happen if I embrace this move higher and I wait for a pullback and I get in. We all know what's going to happen. We don't even have to go there. You don't even have to say it. I'm sure to design now. I don't know, man. This was definitely a trap. I hate it. Let's just be thankful that we don't have this kind of price action every day, or I would go broke. I would have to adapt or go broke, one or the other. It's headed to the New York low. You think we're going lower at Mr. Wall Street? Just go long so I can short it. Someone's been following along today. I just know what was gonna. I don't know. Maybe I honestly I have no idea. I'm not even gonna pretend like I know what's going on. I have no clue whatsoever. Think what kind of got me today. Like this move here, I just feel like we're in for a bigger pullback. But I do have to realize this thing could be if this actually rips higher, it would mean it's very bullish. But oh man. I don't know, man. He means New York. It will test it. Look at the New York low. Oh, you mean the from yesterday? Yeah, right there at the 985s, 20,000, and yeah, technically 990s. Trying to think, like, yeah, if we pull back, do I take the long? Do I do it? I mean, I think I have to. You know what to do, guys. You know what to do, guys. This one is for you. Doing it for the team. The markets heard me say that I'm going long. I bamboozled them. Just kidding. I wasn't actually long. Got him. Apex payment on a 150K account is how much? I mean, you can find out in 2 minutes, MB. Oh wait, are you saying the PA account, the lifetime activation fee is 130? Sorry, MB. I thought you meant evals. I think you meant EA account. Did you say you would go long and now it dumped 25 points? That is correct, Matty Matt. That is correct. You heard correctly. But I was bamboozling them. It was a test. Let's This was a test. Yes, Lawrence, 80% is back on. That is correct. Thank you, Lawrence. Tell it you're going short so we can get a retest of the highs. I was actually, if this is a nice pullback, I mean, if this holds above the EMA here, I actually am going to go long. I'm going to do it. I just want to test. This is one of those theories where, like, I just kind of want to test them. I want to see how ignorant can this market actually be. Kind of interested. I mean, I think it's worth the $100. Entertainment purposes only.
Order submitted.
I once had a 50K eval, was down over 6K and never got liquidated that day, but I blew it up the next day. Uh-oh. If the 150K goes live after PA, how much does Apex pay out? You mean how much is the payout on a 150K is 2750. 2,750. If you reach the profit targets, you would have to get to, oh man, don't make me do math right now. My brain cannot do math right now, but hey, guys, I'm short. I'm short, guys. I'm short. It was over a year ago. I think I faintly remember that, John. I do remember that. I'm short, guys. I'm short. Go down, market. Please go down. Please don't go higher. Don't go higher, market. Come on. Don't stop me out again. Don't do it. Which prop firm do you like the most after Apex and Take Profit? I mean, I like Tradeify. I think Tradeify is, yeah, Tradeify would be right up there with Apex and Take Profit. Also, I mean, I'm actually, I think I'm going to try out my fund of futures. I did get one payout with my fund of futures, but then I blew that account just I don't even know how many days ago. But I am actually might do Trade of 8 accounts, and I'm gonna see if I can't pass a 50K. Which one is the best? My fund of future account. They have so many different options that just don't make any sense to me. Like the starter plus, what is like, so let me just read here. So on a starter plus 50K account, max position size is 3 contracts. That's fine. $2,000 drawdown, end of day, no activation fee. Okay. Profit target of 3K. Oh, there's a okay, so 50% consistency rule on the eval. So you could pass in 2 days, is that right? Hey, Camber Trades, good morning. Good to see you. Market, please don't go higher. Oh no, don't do it. I don't want to get stopped out. Wink, wink. Okay, so then on the funded account, there is no daily drawdown. Really? Yeah, okay, so it takes 2 days. And then there's okay, I see that. No consistency on funded. And then there's profit per day, $100. You need 5 days. So this is really okay. Am I missing something? Like the My Funded Future Starter Plus plan is essentially the same as a Top Step. It's basically Top Step without an activation fee. Is that a pretty good summary, guys? Pretty much, Amelia? Yeah, okay. Well, I would much rather give My Funded Futures my money than Top Step, so I'm gonna try it actually. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try out some starter plus 50Ks. Why not? How many accounts can we have with My Funded Future? It's a good account and it's on sale. What about FTT? Why don't you use Top Step? SW Chan White? I I if you Top Step is fine. They annoy me. Top Step, they just annoy me. Their whole spiel about things holier than thou kind of attitude just annoys me. I'd prefer to give My Funded Future my money if I need to give it. Even though Matt Leach kind of has some issues too. You know what I want to do, guys? Oh, I'm so gonna do this. Oh, watch me. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna. Oh man, I just thought of this. This is gonna be epic. I'm gonna get a My Funded Future account. I'm gonna get it to a payout. If I get it to a payout, I'm going to precisely keep track of how long it takes to get a payout, and then I'm gonna make a tweet about it with sarcasm. I'm gonna test Matt Leach, see if he is able to detect sarcasm, and I'm going to complain about a 5-minute payout and see if Matt Leach has a sense of humor. Because that's essentially what a guy did, and they banned him. Oh man. And I found that funny. I just found that crazy. That poor guy. Poor guy got banned for literally I I don't really want to get banned Camber Trades, but I want to see. I just want to see. I like to poke the bear sometimes. I need to see if he's actually able to have a sense of humor. I'll make sure my tweet, like, I'll make sure that it's very evident that I'm making it's sarcasm. I'm just surely he won't ban me. I mean, if he does, I guess it's unfortunate. uh Whoa, we hit our target. Oh, folk. Okay, hang on. Somebody call somebody. Everybody call somebody. We hit a profit target today. But we only did it because we used reverse psychology. I mean stop loss. Yes, thank you. I'm sorry. You know what's funny? This was the first trade of today. This was my first trade of the day that I actually followed my strategy. Isn't that amazing? Too bad we didn't have the ability to do that earlier in the session. You idiot. Gosh, I am my own worst enemy 99.2% of the time. Actually astounding. I just scared you. Hey, I feel like it was needed. Hitting a profit target after how today has been going, that deserves the jump scare. I'm sorry. All right, my funded futures. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do this, and let's hope we don't get banned. I was a little bit concerned when I tweeted about the other guy. I thought Matt Leach might ban me as well, but they did ban me as an affiliate though. I'm not gonna lie. They removed me as an affiliate last couple months ago. They said, "We don't need you." I'm like, "Okay, that's fair. I'll be chilling." Do you have a minute for a question? I sure do, Captain Crunch. What's up? What's the minimum you need to make on a 50K Apex for a payout? Travel Trader, you need to get your account to $2,600 in profit, and then you can request $500. If you want to request the full $2,000, you need to get your account profit needs to be $4,100. Then you can request the full 2,000, but you can request 500 if you get to 2,600, which I always recommend. Like, pay yourself the 500, cover your costs, and then try to get to 4,100 and then request the 2,000. It's just my opinion. I wasn't pulling my weight. Exactly. That is fair. I mean, I'm not complaining. I wasn't promoting my funded futures really. I wasn't using them, and they just said, "You know what? You're out as an affiliate. You suck." So, that's fair. I'm not complaining. I honestly, I don't if I was a prop firm owner, I would do the same. If I was a prop firm owner and I had people that either were promoting me at some point, but they haven't promoted me for 6 months, you're out as an affiliate. You're gone. Like, as an affiliate, you literally get paid to advertise. So if you stop advertising, then you should stop getting paid. Maybe that's a hot take, but that's how I am totally on board with that. But if I start using my funded futures and promoting them, then I think it would also be okay. And I think it would be the right thing to do to then reinstate my affiliate program. Why am I red, Daily Gains? Hang on. Let me help. Let me show you something. Why am I red today? That actually, that's actually a legitimately good question, but let me fix it for you. Just a minute. Are you ready? Boom. See? Problem solved. Are you happy now? Is that better? Look at that. Like magic. We are no longer red. You are welcome. See how easy that was? Love to see it. Love to see it. Actually, maybe we'll do this. Red makes me I'm kind of like a bull. You know how a bull, when they go do bullfighting? In bullfighting, they use a red cloth because it's been proven that a bull will get agitated when they see red. I'm very much the same. I am very much the same. I get agitated when I see red. So maybe we need to make a default. Maybe we need to make yellow. Yellow is the new red. We'll just make it yellow. That way I won't get as upset. Let's try it. Maybe it'll work. Yeah, this is affordable indicator. It's just you can choose what red color. You can choose your negative day and you can choose which color to display it in. How do you change the color? Yeah, it's affordable indicators. But yeah, yellow means I lost, but it wasn't my fault. Now I love that. Yellow means I lost, but it's not my fault. Oh dear. Uh-oh, Patrick's calling. Hang on. Hey, what's up, man? Oh dear. Oh dear. What? Say what? You say I'm the best Amish golfer in America. I don't know that I can confirm that. That is probably Oh man. Hey, if he comes to Ohio, I will give him golf lessons. No problem. No problem at all. Hey, I'm not in a closet. Yes, I do. We do. It's in Ohio, but it's okay. It's a little bit bigger than my closet. I can actually get in and out without having to. I can actually turn around in my closet. It's pretty cool. But oh, you like that? Oh, I should. Oh man, I got the lawn looking. The lawn is looking perfect. It's great. You ever in Ohio? You better stop in. That would be great. I think you could sit in the chair. I have a chair here, and you could sit here and like, you know, just talk, I guess, and entertain us while we try to trade. How's your P&L today, Patrick? Yeah, you're killing it. I'm currently yellow today. Um, yeah, yellow means I'm red, but it wasn't my fault. So the new theory. Definitely. Yeah, it's not my fault. It was totally not the market. It was the market's fault. This is true. This is true. uh, all right. How's it going, Joey? Oh my. Did he kidnap you or how you're there until the 16th? Don't make me mute you, Pat. Don't make me mute you. we have see. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. You gotta love it. There's only one Patrick. There's only one Patrick. All right, market. It's too funny. I prefer a red P&L in yellow. It's easier on the eyes. It is actually. It's like it actually doesn't make me feel as bad. Uh all right, market. Do we actually I mean the problem here, we actually failed to make new highs, so I don't think we can take this trade. We just need to get back to trading the basics. Take let's take our setups and not get crazy. Hey, good morning, Slaya. How we doing? Yeah, yellow just seems better. It just does. I'm going to make a trend. Yellow is the new red. uh Nutty is green every day. Oh, I wish. But I'm going to wait. I'm not going to chase this. You know what I'm just been thinking? You know what I just thought of? You know what I just realized? I made a horrible mistake this morning. I have not had my coffee and Nutty Bar this morning. That's what's wrong, obviously. Hey, good morning, Linda. How we doing? I haven't had my coffee and Nutty Bar this morning. I got up late and I got distracted. That's on me. That's on me, man. That is on me. I'm gonna go make some coffee right now. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna make coffee, eat a Nutty Bar, and I wouldn't be shocked if we end up green today. Got a good feeling. Just 1 minute. I'll be right back. All right, we are making coffee. Gonna be great. Armando's. Does anyone here know if the 30% consistency rule ever goes away? You know what? I'm not sure. Like after the 5th withdrawal or something. I'm not actually sure. Leia, do you know? Does the consistency rule ever go away? Hey, Cody. Hey, you want a nutty bar? He knows. Tell them nutty bars. Nutty bars. You love nutty bars. Yeah, see right there. You give him a thumbs up. All right, you can have a nutty bar, bud. Oh yeah, delicious. Go, bud. Have fun. Welcome. Oh, you gotta love it. The consistency does not go away as far as I know. Okay, makes sense. I didn't think it did either, but Darrell always demands consistencies. That's right. Yeah, Cody, they just keep growing, man. They just keep growing. Man, this is actually I could almost get in this, man. I'm gonna wait to get in until we actually do make new highs, just in case this wants to roll over. I'm not gonna jump in here. We're gonna wait. Except of course, who can't be tagged in chat unless you subscribe to me. Captain Crunch, you're funny. This is from the Apex website. Wait, once you reach your 6th payout or are transferred to a live prop trading account, the 30% rule is no longer in effect. No, Slaya, we're talking about the 30% consistency rule, not the drawdown rule. Where did you see that, Tanush? Dude, are you serious? I did not know this. I did not know this. I need to know this. This is important. Thank you, Camber Trades. Okay, a single once you reach your 6th payout or are transferred to a live account, the 30% rule is no longer in effect. What? Thank you, Camber. I do not know if they have any. Mr. Wall Street, they do actually have live account. They do have people trading live. Not many, but they do. What? Are you saying dude, that's actually pretty insane. So on these 5 Apex accounts, I don't have a consistency rule anymore. That makes me think a little bit. Say what? I mean, can you imagine? I'm having visions. I'm having visions of 15 minis, max cons. We're gonna get that millie. We're gonna get that millie in a hurry. Isn't that wild? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, John. Dude, that's actually kind of makes me think a little bit. All right, let's see. Are we going to make a move here? Hey, there's the breakout. It looks like we continue to be bullish. We got to look for longs. Oh man, that Nutty Bar hit the spot, folks. Yeah. Ooh. Is Alpine trading? Stephen Cox? I don't know. I assume I'm not sure. Armando's. Yes. Well, actually, if you scroll up to Camber Trades comment, that link that she posted, that is the link where it shows the 30%. Click on the link that Camber Trades had, and it'll take you right to it. You have to scroll. This is the link, and then you have to scroll down to the 30% consistency, and it says right here. Once you reach 6 payout year transferred to live. The 30% rule is no longer in effect. You know what? I need to find out. I need to Tradeify. I assume the 30% consistency is not a thing in the Tradeify accounts as well. Hey, thank you, Canberra. I appreciate it. Thank you. I just failed my Apex Eva. I want to go back to take profit that are at goal. Ooh, TCM trades. Don't do it. Don't do it. Benjamin, you have a question about QuantCard? You can type it in chat. You can type it in the chat, Benjamin. Design knob. You're a special human being. Don't ever change. All right. Come on, give me a pullback to the close to the EMA here. I don't really want to take a long here all the way up here. I mean, I could. Technically a long here. Though. I guess we're going to have to let that one go without us. Hmm. Okay, let's see. I mean, this looks like we're just going to grind this thing higher. I did not see that coming today. I really didn't. I thought we would, man, once we got below this 780s, I really thought this thing was going to sell off, but nope. You have been incorrect. Oh. I mean, I guess that's a failed new high. This is always such a dangerous time to trade for me. All right, now do we always such I mean it's 11:30. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to follow our plan. We are going to follow the plan, take the trade and hey, Amakre, we have a yellow day. Yep, it's a new thing. Yellow means it's red. It's the same as red, but it wasn't my fault. I love it. And I might not get an entry here. If you request a payout Friday after close on MFU, do you still approve or do they wait until after the weekend? Leonard, I don't know enough to answer that, but I think they do it right away. I think he's up in the chat. Oh, Benjamin, sorry, I was watching, but I didn't see. Oh yes, when I set my max profit loss for the day, let's say max profit $100,000, max loss minus 500. Is there a way to move the max loss to 0 once you reach, for example, plus 500? Good question, Benjamin. Not right now. Not right now, but he is working on making that an option. So they have a Discord. If you want to join the Discord, you can ask and put that request in. But right now I don't think that you can do that, but in the future I think they were going to add that. And there we go, making new highs. Wow. Did not really get an entry here, so this is anyone trade the Apex static account? I mean, I don't hear of a lot of people that do, but I'm sure some people do. I just don't think I just never have found it to be worth it. With those static accounts, it is imperative that you get off to a fast start. If you don't, you don't have much wiggle room at all. And here we go, pulling back. Come on, pull back. Let's give me a good entry here. New highs on gold. Design knob, why didn't you tell me? You should have told me. You should have told me to buy gold. Oh, wait, you did. Hey, UCLA trades, that's the plan. We're looking for longs. Do you know if missing PA account problem was solved? I still have my 4 accounts missing and no response. Or the ticket sent on April 30th. What was April 30th? April 30th is 4 business days ago. I know that they're aware that there is an issue. I know that they know that they're trying to get it resolved. They're working through it. The last I heard, that's the last information I was given. So how much time that's going to take, I don't know. I'm gonna recommend that you be patient because it seems like, it just seems like it takes a while usually to get stuff resolved. I don't know. Unfortunately, I wish it wouldn't be like that, but it is what it is. How are you able to trade Apex, Tradeify, and the Take Profit Trader accounts together? I thought Rhythmic only allows one connection. They do, Carl. Unfortunately, you are correct. So my Tradeify accounts, which are not connected right now because they're moving me to a live account. So the red, if you see the red here, that means I'm not connected. So if I want to trade my Take Profit accounts, I have to disconnect Apex and connect Take Profit Trader. Sucks. I wish it wouldn't be like that, but I wanted to go with the Rhythmic accounts so I can use QuantGuard on my Take Profit Trader accounts. But now I have to switch back and forth, and it's kind of annoying. I think I'm going to get some MyFund in the future. But what you can do, Carl, is you can have one Rhythmic account. So if your Apex accounts are Rhythmic, if you add Tradeivate accounts for Take Profit Trader and Tradeivate account for Tradeify, then you can connect them all at the same time. You can have multiple Tradeivate connections. That's what I used to do, but then I switched over to Rhythmic for QuantGuard, and now I have to switch connections. So it's kind of annoying. Things I like about Tradeify, Samir. I mean, honestly, I look at the payout approval process, the dashboard is really clean, very nice. But other than that, I mean, it's just the same as, they have plans that are very similar. It's very similar to other prop firms. I just hassle-free. It's pretty straightforward. And I just get those payouts, rack them up. It's very similar. I don't know, that probably the biggest thing that stands out is the straight to funded. They offer straight to funded accounts, which very few prop firms that are legitimate do that. So the straight to funded is definitely a bonus, but that, they also have the end of day accounts, or they have the trailing accounts. So they have basically accounts that are very similar to Apex, even in price. And then you have the end of day accounts, and then you have the straight to funded accounts. So kind of pick what you want. And they have different rules on the funded, but like 20% consistency for straight to funded, and I think it's 30% on the other ones. But the commissions are terrible. Really, Vector? I haven't even really paid attention. Are my Tradeify end of day or trailing? So I have the straight to funded account, so it would be end of day. Yes, they have Tradeivate. Tradeify only has Tradeivate. Tradeify does not have Rhythmic. All right, market, we're seeing this thing. Price action has been pretty horrible right now. Not much to see. All right. A little bigger pullback here down to the testing that 900 again. Do we take a stab at this? How did I overcome trading? The over trading? Honestly, I never struggled. My biggest struggle with trading was holding my losers. Like, my biggest struggle was not cutting my losses or not accepting losses. I did overtrade. I do overtrade some, but overtrading was never like one of my core issues. My core issues were just not accepting a loss, getting in a trade, getting trapped, and then just holding it and holding it and holding it. And DCAing sometimes. So don't really over trading. I feel like the biggest thing with over trading is probably like getting your setup really locked in. Like define your setup, define your A plus setup, and then just really focus on only taking that. Only take that. And I mean, I don't know. It's a difficult one. Did it help when you invited your wife to watch your live stream? Yes, it did actually. Keep on fishing. Yeah, it did. It actually helps streaming with over trading. Actually, that is one thing that helps. Um, one thing with streaming, you know, nobody wants to look like an idiot when you stream in front of how many people? 500 people? 400 people? You know, nobody wants to look like an idiot in front of 400 people, so you tend to be a little more disciplined usually. Now, that's not always the case. As you guys have seen in the past, there are times when that doesn't stop me. But, you know, as a whole, I think that helps. There is no news about our accounts. Brian Luna, no one answers. Yeah, like I said, Brian, I did reach out to Apex. They're aware of the issues and they're working at it. The last I heard, they are working on getting it resolved. But what that, yeah, I'm gonna wait a couple days, and then I will reach back out to Apex, and I'm pretty sure I'm like one of the most annoying. It is what other people like. It, yeah. Let's just say I've worn out my welcome sometimes with Apex. Like I will. I mean, I don't know. It is what it is, but I have at times where I will go after their support and I'll call them out for stuff that I think is BS, and I will do it to the point where I've gotten blocked. I've literally gotten calls and blocked of, but you know what? I don't care. But some of it is BS. Some of it's BS, and if no, somebody's got to call them out on it. But in this situation, this particular situation, I don't think it's anything. It's not Apex being malicious, like purposely going out and deleting people's accounts. It sounds like it was a cleanup thing where they were like rhythmic. They were trying to clean up dormant accounts. But I think they went a little bit too overboard with it. But it should get fixed. Take Profit Trader is CQG, not Rhythmic. And you can choose Thumper. You can with Take Profit Trader, you can choose if you want Rhythmic or if you want Trade-of-8. Currently, I have Rhythmic is what I have currently. Very funny, John. By the way, guys, did you guys see Did you? I mean, this is just downright comical. And again, I don't wanna get down this rabbit hole too far. But did you guys see that day traders? They now retroactively created payout. They did a payout buffers, retroactively changed it, and they this is the best part. Actually, I gotta read it. I this is too good. To think, and again, this is back to like Leo. Leo is a douchebag and a dirty rat. And that's exactly who he is. And I mean, I could go down a rabbit hole here that I probably shouldn't. But the guy, that guy is a snake, absolute snake. But what is really, really funny to me, I gotta read this to you guys. I gotta read it. It was too funny. Oh, if I can find it. Hang on. Yeah, okay, so this is from their again, okay, this is like a life lesson maybe for some of you guys, but if you ever deal with someone in a workplace environment or just if you deal with someone in general in life, and if that person is secretly recording and then blackmailing people and yada yada yada, just trust me, those are guys that you do not hang out. Like, never trust those people ever. They they will stab you in the back as soon as it's convenient. They will stab you in the back. They will do whatever. The only motive they have one thing in mind and one objective, and that is their own self-interest. They will run over anyone and anything to just their own self-interest. But anyway, this is what I got to read. So Day Traders comes out. They come out and this is what they said. Hey traders, we've heard your feedback loud and clear. Many of you asked for our 90% sales to last longer than just one day because in the past they would run in the past they would run a 90% sale for like a day or whatever, and people would complain. Okay. So a 90% sale. So they're like, you asked for our 90% sales to last longer than just one day. To make that possible and keep things sustainable long term, we've made some adjustments to our pricing. And this change allows us to continue offering huge discounts for longer periods while still growing and improving our offerings to you. Like, what a bunch of idiots. Like, did they really think people are this stupid? Like, and what they did, they literally took their evals and they increased the price enough so that if they did a 90% sale, it was the same as an 80% sale. I mean, it's so hilarious. It is actually comical. Like they thought, oh, people just want 90% sale. They don't care that they have to pay the same amount as an 80% sale. They're too stupid to realize that. Like they think, which, okay, to be fair, if you switch to day traders, you probably are a little bit stupid. So maybe they have a point here. But I mean, it is actually hilarious. They doubled the price and made it so that, and then it's like, oh, guys, we got great news. We're going to give you guys longer 90% off sales, and you can have it now for a week. Yay, 90% off. But oh, we forgot to tell you, we doubled the price. So technically, it's the same as 80% off. Like, what is it? That is so dumb. And that is legitimately what they did. Legitimately, what they did. They literally doubled their original price and then they run 90% off sales. It would have been the exact same difference if they just run an 80% sale. But somehow they thought people were not good at math. And I don't know, did they just think people wouldn't notice? Anyway, they're getting much it let's just say they're getting what's been coming to them. That's all I'm going to say, but it's an actual joke. Yeah, it's just so crazy. What firm is that? Day traders. But trust Leo. He was a whistleblower. He was a whistleblower, and Leo is very trustworthy, and you should believe everything he says. Oh, he would, he's all for the trader, and that's why he was doing whistleblowing at Apex, because he had the best intent. Like his intentions were to help the trader. Ask Kellyanne how that went. Guy's a snake, and it is what it is. Anyway, I said my piece. Let's move on. I hope I wasn't unclear. Are all Apex promotions 1 day to pass? Yeah, I mean, everything is 1 day to pass, Fred Yeager. It's always 1 day to pass. Exactly, Camber Trades. A whistleblower that is 8 months. It was Camber Trades. You have to understand Camber Trades. He didn't whistleblow back when all the issues were happening that he claims. He just happened to, it was just a pure coincidence that he stopped, or that he didn't release all that information until Day Traders was established. That was all just a coincidence. I know, John. I literally told Kellyanne, I literally tried to tell Kellyanne not to get involved with Leo. I tried to tell her, but did she listen? No. I mean, unfortunately, I feel bad for Kellyanne, because she really she got taken to the cleaners. Now, she's trying to portray it like it was Apex's fault. That is not true. Everything that happened, that the reason that she's in a lawsuit, if she wouldn't have contacted Leo, or if she would have not established that relationship, and if she wouldn't have taken the hook, line, and sinker that Leo just conveniently threw her way, if she wouldn't have taken that bait, she would have never been involved in this lawsuit. But she loves to blame Apex for it because it fits her agenda. But in reality, Leo is the guy that actually screwed over Kellyanne. 100%. Exactly. If she wouldn't have released the video, which she clearly knew, and you cannot tell me, like, there is literally a screenshot of her, a Discord message that she admitted to knowing that she shouldn't release it. She was told not to release it, a court order not to release it, and she did it anyway. Yet, it's all everybody else's fault. She did nothing wrong. I'm sorry. I mean, some people just prefer not to know and look at the full story. That's the problem. But it does suck that it sucks, but it's not that she was fully aware, and she was claiming, because she was trying to say that she didn't get the court order, yada yada yada, but she literally was posting messages in a Discord which got screenshotted and is actually in the lawsuit, of her admitting that, yeah, I know I'm not supposed to, but I'm going to do it anyway. Like, I mean, I'm sorry, but it sucks, but at some point you got to take some responsibility for your actions. Anyway, I digress. I'll probably get the Kellyanne Discord army coming after me in about 2 minutes. I've been told that there's Kellyanne's Discord. I have a lot of fans. Rumor has it that I have a lot of really, really big fans of me in Kellyanne's Discord. You hate to see it. Exactly, Camber Trade. Exactly. Well, you only had to ask yourself one question. Why wouldn't they release that video on their own if they had no issues and if they knew it was legit and everything? Why wouldn't they release it on their own? They know why. They knew exactly what they were doing. And unfortunately, she got completely baited, and her blind hatred for Apex has cost her a lot of money. That's the bottom line. And guess who the guy was that ghosted her and just completely threw her under the bus first chance he got? Leo. He didn't care. Matty Matt. Oh man. I'm late. Why yellow? Maybe I should change it because yellow is better than red. Oh, exactly. Is that the video John seemingly wanting people to blow accounts? Yes, that was the video, and yes, that video definitely was edited. Video was definitely edited, and it wasn't edited to make John look good. That's all I'm saying. Now, do I agree with what was said? No, I don't. I'm not a fan of it, but I'm also not shocked. I mean, are we really shocked that prop firms look for ways to become profitable? I mean, second of all, what John actually said in that video never even happened. Like, they were talking about doing XYZ and they never did it. That, like, what they were talking about never even happened. Like, that's the other thing that no one even cares to talk about. Like, anyway, whatever. It's just, I'm so over it. It is what it is. Because one thing I've realized and noticed is it doesn't matter what the facts are. People will believe what they want to believe. And it's pointless to try to convince people otherwise. Yep, exactly, camera trays. I've went over that too. Exactly. I remember. Exactly. And that's what I mean. It's pointless. It's a pointless conversation to have. It's a pointless conversation to have, and it's just I'm not I just don't have the how would I say? I do not have the mental bandwidth to argue with people that cannot think rationally. I can't. I'm out. I just can't waste my energy on that. Design not. Like I've always said, like this is where I get so annoyed when, like, do I think Apex has done things incorrectly? Like, have they done things wrong? Yes, 100%. Have I agreed with everything they've done and some of the stuff? Like, no, I've been very vocal about it, what I don't agree with. But then to, like, just disregard some of this other complete BS is just as bad as someone, like, I don't know. It just whatever. All right, let's focus on trading. I get annoyed when I have these discussions. Like the fact, like what really gets me going is when people like just call, like they want a class and call me an Apex shill, like, and I kind of have gotten labeled as an Apex shill, and I don't even care, but it's pretty funny getting labeled that, yet what people don't know is I have literally spoken out so much so that I have gotten blocked, literally blocked from Apex support and from Apex ownership because of what I have said. And it's like, trust me, Apex doesn't feel like they would disagree, but it is what it is. I'm going to keep doing what I keep doing. If I see something I don't like that's BS, I mean, I'm going to call it out. It is what it is. People can hate it or like or whatever they want, and we're going to move on. Exactly. Kiss me, I cooked. Yeah, you know, exactly. The same thing. Like, I anyway, I digress. I mean, they can do whatever they want. It's their company. They can technically do, yeah, they can do whatever they want. It's a free country, but hey, guess what? I can do everything I want too. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Camber Trades. Camber Trades is one of also, like, I have seen it and I know this to be fact. Camber Trades has fought for the traders way more than people realize. Way more. What other people don't realize either, back when Apex made the 3.0 rule changes, I was the one that I literally got in a fight for. I literally got in a fight that they allow, that they don't make those rules retroactive. That if you, or at least give people a time where they can still withdraw from the buffer in the next payout period. But I don't know, people just don't know. And it's okay. I'm not asking to be I'm not asking to be, I'm not asking for anything out of it, but it's just pretty crazy then when you see some of the stuff being said, they really have no idea. But that's just how it goes in life. I'm not trying to come across as some kind of saint. I'm not. But it's pretty rich when I see people with what some people say. It's pretty crazy. Oh man, I need to make a decision here because we have started to roll over now, but we have not, like, this 880, 890 area has held up. It has held up really well. And I feel like right now we're kind of on that 50-50 range where we could see a move higher, or we could just start to see this slowly bleed lower. And I think as long as we stay above VWAP, I think we look for longs. I think. Because he claimed no more evals was a glitch. Oh yeah, don't get me started on that the whole thing with the banning thing. Don't get me started, man. Don't get me started. Like that. That's total BS. Total BS. And I've been, I don't know. We'll leave it at that. But let's just say we're not done with that fight. We're not done with that. That needs to be, things don't make sense. And I might actually take. I'm going to take this. Little tricky. Feel like if we get above this 910, we could see this thing pop back right back up into the 30-40 area. Or we just rip it lower, that's fine. I don't mind. Just don't fill me and then do it. All right, never mind. We're going to get out of this. Looks bearish now. We are getting into the afternoon. It's 12:08. We all know 12:08. This thing can just start to bleed off. Exactly, Cam. Cameron, me and you think a lot the same. Me and you, we think the same. I think this a lot of things I don't say, but I do think it's hilarious. The same exact way that Top Step bans people when they cycle accounts, and that was just completely looked over at as, oh, it's fine. But when Apex did it, it was a scam. Like, it's just crazy. And also, I mean, the prop firm industry is, I have some concerns. The concerns that I have with this industry right now, the amount of people that I see on Discords, I see this on Discord servers everywhere. I even see this in influencers. I see it in streams. I see it everywhere. And I mean, it is what it is. Like, I get the argument. Like, I do. I understand the argument, but I think it's wrong. Like, the problem I see a lot of times with prop firms and the way that people are being, it's no longer about, for way too many people, it is no longer about trading well. It's no longer about trying to learn how to trade. It's no longer about trying to acquire a skill set so that you can actually learn how to trade. It's all about just earning and burning, blow account, blow account, blow account, blow account, and then get one payout and repeat it and repeat it. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. That drives me crazy. I hate that. And I don't think it's going to end well, because it is just, it's not, that's not what it was meant for, first of all, and B, you're not helping anyone. It's not helping you. But I mean, it's I don't know how you solve it. I don't know how you solve it, but I don't like, I just don't like it. Oh, wow, look at that. We again, a big bounce off the 90s. Oh, dear. Man, I actually should have been in that trade. That was a fake out. Wow. Wow, what a fake out. And I missed it. Totally missed it. Dang. Their news. Exactly, Camber trades. See, here's the problem. If the only focus for every single person is to just earn and burn, well, guess what's going to happen? There are going to become more rules to prevent that from happening, because, and people will then just blame prop firms instead of taking accountability on their own. Like, if you just earn and burn, are you allowed to do that? Yes, you can. But does that make you a better trader? Are you learning how to actually trade? No, you're not. You are not. And that is not how you would trade your own live account. So you can't then fault prop firms for putting rules in place to prevent that when that is not actually how you would trade. And like you can't have it both ways. You just can't. This is insane. That has to be news related, right? RT 808, I do it? How? Explain to me. I've had these Apex 150K accounts for 150 days. And you think I earn and burn? Yeah, go get a grip. I've had these Tradeify accounts for 80 days. Okay. I know where you're coming from. Wow, look at this thing go. You have I blow accounts, yes. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the earn and burn where people go huge size and they just look for as fast to payouts as they can, and they will blow 10 accounts getting 2 payouts. You have no idea what you're talking about, RT. Like you don't even know what I'm talking about. But it's fine. I know where you're coming from. All right, market up through the 20,000s. This has got to be. Is this? No, this is not the bond auction. I don't know. This got to be news related. Trump must have said something. Let's see. What did he say? You got that whole move? Nice. Let's go, Dominican trader. Trump made a comment? Yeah. Well, exactly, Niles. And if that is your objective, then you're doing it wrong. That's all I'm going to say. And then don't be shocked if they keep making rules to prevent them to get completely just the earn and burners. What sucks is it makes it harder and worse for everyone else that isn't trying to do that. We all blow accounts. That's not the point. But once you're blowing accounts and you're just rinse and repeat, it doesn't matter. Then you're playing the prop firm game. You're not actually trying to trade. There's a big difference. Don't know if necessary to renegotiate USMCA anymore. So that was the news. AMD, where did I see the announcement of the changes? On their Discord. Do you think the prop firms care? Yeah, they do. That's why you see people banning. That's why Top Step is banning people. Because they're earners and burners. That's why. Of course they care. I hope I'm wrong, but I'm telling you, the next prop firm that is going to be making changes is going to be Take Profit Trader. Right now, they're getting earned and burned so hard, it's insane. And I'm afraid they're going to be making changes because of it. But I mean, it is what it is. I hope I'm wrong. I have no idea if that's true. I have no insider knowledge, nothing. But I blew 15 accounts 2 weeks ago. Yeah, exactly. I like again, if you don't understand what I'm saying is there's a difference between okay, or at RT, Go back and look at how long I've had my accounts and the accounts I've gotten payouts. Go ahead and keep track. Do it. I dare you. Part of learning how to trade is you are going to have blowups. That's not the, like, of course, you're going to have blowups. But when your only goal and your only objective is to cycle accounts constantly, consistently, then it's easily, you can tell. But hey, to each their own. All right, now getting the pullback back below the 20,000s. Yeah, I mean, they have a couple things going for them, the sports Don. Like, they have the 5-day passing is actually, that really slows down the earn and burn. But then the thing I actually think is going to change is the ability to reset pro accounts. I think because that's where people are doing it. They're resetting accounts and just going max cons, trying to get, that's how they're doing it. All right, I might look at it long here. Yeah, that's what I thought, RG8. You went back and looked and you realized you were wrong, so now you have no other argument. It's okay. You can just go back to where you came from. Blocking on a certain amount of contracts per trade. Let's play a game. Spot the douche in the chat. And there's a, like, I mean, okay, there's a like, you can tell. I mean, I'm not gonna keep going down this road, but you can tell when there's an objective that is just, there's only one objective, and it's not to learn how to trade. You can spot, though, it's very apparent. Some people even sell a course on how to do it. That's really wild. That's really wild. They literally sell a course on how to do it. Crazy. And we are retracing this whole move. Guess the news wasn't so great after all. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's pretty funny. I'm earning and burning using two micros, 4 micros. It's fine. I know where that guy comes from, and let's just say it hit a nerve. Fine. I said what I said. Who sells this course? I'm no comment. There are also companies that will trade for you. Yeah, I know. I didn't realize how rampant that was until I made the mistake of joining a few, or not joining, I guess, but following, I guess. I started to follow a couple people on Facebook, and now evidently the Facebook algorithms have gathered that I trade prop firms. Dude, there's so many advertisements of like literally people like, hey, I'll pass evals for you. I'll do this. It's crazy. Once it's crazy. Wait, are you serious, camera trades? Oh, see, that actually irritates me. That's actually BS. I wish I could control like that's actually something I should look into. Is there a way I can change what ads get run? Because that is not okay. I'm not cool with that. I get Take Profit Trader ads 24/7. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I agree, John. Take Profit Trader runs Facebook ads like crazy. It's the we don't get paid until we get you a payout ad. No way. I never see those ads on YouTube because like I don't have whatever. I have the subscription or whatever they call it, YouTube member, whatever. That's crazy. Y'all, well, Giovanni, can't prop firms know your IP location? Yes. Which is, I mean, that is a big reason why Apex was asking people to record themselves trading, is because they're suspicious that other people are actually trading your accounts. Oh, you don't have Facebook? Oh, at Facebook, it's the worst. Like Facebook is the worst. It's crazy. I made the mistake of searching for, what was I searching for? Pontoons. I was searching for pontoons and they just came up everywhere. I mean, they came up. Now I just get them. They just overwhelm you with ads. Crazy. Yeah, premium. Thank you, micro player. Thank you. I got it wrong. All right, market. Hmm. All right, back to hang on. Nothing like 100-point move higher and then 100-point move lower. Man. I probably shouldn't trade this. Probably shouldn't. Basically, they said, "Oh, Trump tweeted, yay!" And then they actually read the tweet, and they're like, "Oh." Seems like that's what happened. Oh, what caused that spike? Yeah, I don't. Isn't he behind? Uh, yeah, exactly. Exactly. But I mean, has anyone recently heard, is Joom actually still planning to open a prop firm? Trump tell reporters, stop asking how many deals we were signing. Yeah. It's too funny. Typical market. Typical market. Ah. Is Trump still talking? By the way, John, I was curious. Oh, really, John? Oh, camera trades. Oh, I know it. And you know it, and everybody else knows it. I tell you what. Some days I just gotta sit here and shake my head. And then I think, you know what? It's a free world. Yes, people can do what they want to do. People are allowed to do whatever they want. But I sit and chuckle and I laugh to myself. All right, what? Do you offer VIP code? What? Missa? No, I do not. No, I do not. Thankfully, I can't imagine. I would be miserable. You know what? Like, if I would sell a course, I would be miserable. Like, it would be so. I do not get the attraction to that. If I would sell a course and then people would lose money and whatever, like, wouldn't you feel responsible? Or, like, I don't know. I just don't understand it. I don't get it. I mean, people always highlight, "Oh, look, I made this guy profitable." Trust me. There's a lot more people that you just took their money and it didn't help them one bit. Oh, by the way, yeah, I wanted to see. Do you know, John, have you been following the whole Dr. Lupo situation? I've had courses in other sectors. I could make 1 million in 6 months in trading and still have no desire to Yeah, same. I would just Just don't have any desire to do it. It just doesn't sound like a good time. Sounds like way too many responsibilities. And that's also why I don't have a Discord. Like, having a Discord, just there are things that I would love about it, and I like there are things about a Discord that I like, but then when I see some Discords, like the bad side of it is just like, oh, it hurts my brain. I'm like, that would drive me crazy. It would make me, it would frustrate me. Yeah, John, but I was watching. So Lupo hasn't streamed in 5 days. But John, I assume you watched Dr. Disrespect. I assume you watched the doctor that day. He opens his stream and starts playing chess. Oh, which I don't even know. Does he do that normally? Maybe he does. But I found it kind of funny. He opens his stream up and he just opens the same chess and starts playing. Doesn't comment, nothing. Doesn't comment on anything and just plays a game of chess. It was pretty wild. It's pretty entertaining, I will say that. Yeah, he is, John. I agree. I agree. Anyone needs to know how to trade, read Bill Williams' Fractional Trading. Yeah. Fractional trading, what? I didn't want a Discord, but a few of my supporters asked, so I did it. It took me 8 months to do it. Yeah, and I know, like, I go back and forth. There are times where I'm like, you know what? Let's do a Discord. That'd be fun. You know, it's like, that would be fun, hang out with everybody all the time. I could share my lawn mowing pictures, yada, yada. And then all of a sudden I'm like, bah, and then I see the bad side of it. And I'm just like, nope, I ain't doing it. Some other guys start playing golf. See, I prefer that. Just play golf. My goal would be to be a Nutty Bar Discord moderator and have the ban hammer. Hey, that would be nice. I would definitely have a lot of mods. But all right, market. I don't know what to do here. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to determine why I'm still trading. I like disconnecting from everything after I'm done trading. I don't want to feel obligated to any. That's exactly how I feel, Camera. I need to. I know. Okay, my thing also part of the reason is like I know if I would have a Discord, I know how it would go. Like, and one thing I hate is when I'm with family or just spending time with family that you're constantly on your phone and you're checking your Discord and you're making sure everything's right. Like, and just feeling like that responsibility and kind of obligation is that's another reason I just don't want it. Like, I want to be able to, when I'm done streaming, when I'm done trading, I'm done. I can unplug from it and I don't have any like stress or headaches from anything else additional because I have had my share of stress back when like being a small time business owner and the stress that comes with a small time business owner where you have employees to take care of and you're trying to make payroll and things aren't going well. It like that stress is real and it affects your it's very, very hard to, like, remove yourself from that stress when you're spending time with family and being present. It's just very difficult to do that, where I see the benefit of, like, just being able to not, like, eliminate as much stress in your life as you can, and the more you can do that, the better your quality of life is. But, I mean, sometimes stress is needed. I my biggest stress is my stupid trading. Actually, the stupid market. NQ causes me 99% of my stress. But, that's the only thing that I sometimes have a hard time, like, I take it with me. I try not to, but I know I do. Like, I'll have a bad day of trading. Um, right now I feel pretty good, but this morning I was just super annoyed. And then I'll end stream and I just won't really say much, and my wife will know. She's like, "So you had a bad day of trading?" I'm like, "How? What? What are you talking about?" And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's hard to walk away and not let it bother you if you have a bad day. It just is. I know for one thing, if I have a bad day of trading and I'm in a bad mood, and then I walk away, and then I open my Discord and I see people fighting in my Discord, then that would just, oh, it makes me want to puke. I'm teaching my wife so when I'm not here, she can continue with the assets. Day trading won't be her need. There you go. You knew where I was going. Personally, they won't like his Discord. I've never been in his, but a lot of influencers. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. And it that's the other thing I hate about it. Exactly. But I know I would. I know the trolls would come in. I know they would, and it would just annoy me. Like, it would just annoy me when the trolls would come in and disrupt the server, and then the whole, you have people impersonating me, like that whole thing. And I think there are ways that you could kind of bypass that, but I don't know. At right now, it's just not worth it. It's a bad day for you when you have not done a single trade. Oh, I've done trades, day trading. You just need to rewind the stream. Here, this was my first. This is where things went very. We got wrecked this morning. We just got absolutely destroyed. We're basically break even on these set of accounts, whatever. But I mean, I'm not even sure why I'm still here. I guess I just like chatting it up with you guys. We're just here to chat right now because I should walk away. I do have a honey-do list. Um, my loving wife, she's one for she loves her lists, and sorry, I just now. What is going on? All right, what is going on here? I might need to make a phone call here. Hmm. Hey, Alpine, how we doing? Uh, yeah, it's a new red. Yellow is the new red. Did not have a red day today. So if I'm yellow, just it's a it means it's the same as red, but it means it was not my fault. The market was being a you know what. No stream this week. Okay, maybe FMC tomorrow. Nice. No, it's been a rough day. It has been a weird, rough day. I'm trying to talk. I'm really getting close to talking myself into taking a long trade right here. But right now, it just feels like this thing is just bleeding lower. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Stop below this. Feel like it's worth it. Trading off stream is so different. Yeah, it is. Or trading, yeah, it is. And go ahead, market. Go ahead and stop me out so we can get her. Put myself out of my misery. Go ahead. Be my guest. Be my guest. You're short, Leonard? Hey, you're in great shape. You are going to be fine. If you're short right now, you have nothing to worry about. See? Oh, yeah, we need to walk. We need to leave. This is not today. Just this ain't it. This ain't it, man. Oh, man. What does yellow mean? It's the same as red, but it's yellow. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm gonna go do something else. This ain't cutting it. It's not getting any better. It's time to walk away. Hopefully, yeah, I'll be honest. Right now, we're on a little bit of a losing streak. I don't like it. Anytime we start going down this road, we need a reset. Tomorrow, full focus on taking good setups, and that's it. Nothing else. Only good setups, and get the ship righted. We can't be this lackadaisical about this. So back on track tomorrow. Take good trades, and that's it. All right, everybody. We will be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Appreciate all the support. Take care, and God bless.